Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. I really appreciate everyone that is supporting me. May God bless you all. Please don't forget to share my videos, like, leave positive comment down below in the comment section. So guys, let's sit together and watch this video. Bye bye. Hello my people, I greet una with better style. My people, I don't carry another bonge story, can't give on my people. This one from retire me on my people. Me on can't listen. On a no say na inside social media now for the year plenty matter my people. So I go drop the video for na finish to watch me and don't forget to leave on our own opinion what you think on the video. My people, before I go drop the video, I greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on the time where be so I go take come across this video. My people, make I drop the video, make una watch.
Now let's talk about the motive. The motive, man. When you came to this arena, should I say Avyugbena, or this family,
yes,
this social media, you came in just for let me see this for entertainment purpose, or
yes,
advocacy, or to where those in where you tory, or you just came in just to be a partaker in the cyberspace?
Never. Okay. All right, that's a beautiful question that I would love to answer.
Okay, we'll see.
Legal at this social media, I have somebody like I love relationship stuff, talking about relationship stuff. Even outside social media, I've done a lot of hookups that became reality in an hour. There's one I showed one time on live video, couples that I hooked up about 20 donkey years ago, and they it's even more than is around that 20 or up to now. They are in Italy. So I find it very interesting when I talk about relationship topic, couples topic, and stuff like that. But along the line, when you come to social media, it's a river. It's like a river. So one topic can lead you to another. At the end of the day, you see yourself fighting with people that you are not supposed to fight with. So that's what they call saga, exchange of words. So when you start exchanging words with people already, or when people start dragging you, and sometimes you want to also stand on your feet by being strong. So you can reply, and at the end of the day, it is labeled as a saga. But I don't live permanently on saga. That is why I can be quiet for a person to talk to me for a very long time. And my reply sometime, the time I will decide to reply, I'll reply for good, But my aim of coming to social media has nothing at all to do with saga. But when you are already on this cyberspace and you are growing already, you said that you are tested, or you said that you test them or they test you. It's one of the two. You see?
Okay, that's the show where you agreed that reverse is already the case now.
You said?
That's the show where you don't agree. You agreed that reverse is already the case.
No, I'm not agreeing to that.
Because
yes.
What you said from the beginning, or your purpose or the motive behind why you came in, is not longer it's no longer what you do now.
Now.
Okay.
Sometimes it's the work that you do on live video has a lot to do with psychology, And when you're mentally strong, any job that you do, you can do it. So there is a particular position you will get to on live video, and people start feeding on your mentality already. You now feed on the mentality way. So when you don't also feed on their own, sometimes they don't feel the impact of what they are doing to you, So to be quiet sometimes, to be too quiet sometimes on those cyberspace can be foolishness, and you can really suffer mentally for it. So for you to keep your sanity, you also need to say no to some stuff and say, this one is a no. Because whatever topic that you are bringing up, whatever things that we are doing, it has to do with here. My purpose of coming to social media is still there. People who want hook up, who want relationship, who want advice, who want stuff, if they cannot 100% get it online from me, my phone is always open. I do it. We talk all day inside the house. So it has nothing to do with, whoa, you are now 100% diverted. As you know, Edo cyberspace is very corrupt, you know. So as the case may be, it is the way it is.
Mama, Oma no leni gbina, Omaria be. Edunari aita yana we unwo ya simi onale. Eve do ya ita. Are you aware? Oma no leni gbina. Are you in?
Yes. I'm hearing you.
No leni gbina Maria be.
Yeah.
Gya hawori asi. Unwe oya simi onale. Eduna we he who fight and run away lives to fight another day.
Exactly.
So now, as we speak, if anybody should address you from the right or from the left, on anti-retoto, what exactly is your aim, or should I say, what is your duty as we speak now, your task now? On in the cyberspace per se, what will you tell them?
Yes. Wow, what a beautiful question. What is your task on Edo cyberspace? I remain in Yodo on Edo cyberspace. I do topics from every angle. I'm a social media representative, and whatever I see outside, especially when it has to do with relationship, it is my topic. If I feel comfortable to talk about it, I will talk about it. So one or two people can also learn from it. So it doesn't mean that the whole world must agree with my point of view. Sometimes they will not agree. Just like I'm making an example with one lady who they do industry the other day. You know, she was having a relationship problem on social media. So when I saw it, it is my area. I do relationship topic. I decided to speak inside based on that fact. Although many people did not agree, but because of the way Edo cyberspace is this time around, like the way it is, the corruption that is in Edo cyberspace, sometimes people want to tend to like make you to be like dancing to their tune the way you are not supposed to do because of one thing or the other, trying to use your good cause to threaten you to say, I will talk to you for how long as I want. If they believe they are in the mode. There are some people who believe they are already in the mode 100%. And they decide to use your good cause to threaten you to say, because I have been in the mode and people know that I'm in the mode and the world accepts me, seeing me in the mode, so I'm going to beat you for as long as I want. You must remain quiet and shut up. That's what I don't want. Oppression, the very day in live social media, I make it clear. I don't accept oppression from anyone. I speak my voice, I raise my voice. When something is not okay for me, mentally, psychologically, I spill it out. But that doesn't stop the work that I do on live video. Yeah, I beg anything that is there that I'm supposed to speak on, I will speak on it. When I feel comfortable and convenient to come up with a relationship topic that I want to do, I do it. This is who I am now at this very particular time, Ritutu. So my fans and my followers, I believe they are getting used to me. They know me better. The continuity is there. So that's it.
And the records are there. I like that. This is who you are. This is who you are now. And that's how best we can describe you now. Abi?
This is who I am. If you fight me and I don't feel okay with your fight, I fight you back.
Wow.
This is who I am.
All right.
If you fight me, especially when you fight me for no reason,
okay,
I will not feel threatened with your fight. But I can try to avoid your fight in as much as I can. Mm-hmm. So when my sanity is not taking it anymore, I fight you back with everything I believe. Mm-hmm. So that you can as well take some senses. So this is where
freedom is never voluntarily given by the oppressor. You must be demanded. It must be demanded by the oppressed. Now let me see some comments here. The people we have here.
And I also want to say, if anyone disrespects me on your platform, I think you can block them. You can see the rudeness in them. They have no respect, some of them.
I understand.
So I am advising you, whoever comes here to disrespect me on your platform, I
Okay.
give the person the blocking list.
Okay. Yeah, okay, you are right. You know, when you were mila,
Yeah,
here we really don't block. We know there are sarcastic, you know, comments, and the
yeah,
people will come in with grudge. You understand? So, but we know they block. We advise people. You understand?
yeah,
So we really don't block.
exactly.
Yeah. Pretty price, you are blessed. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And testimony, Egbon, we say for coming, Scott Favor. Abeg, make una share this broadcast, make una share this video. I want to do
Yeah.
mama. Ona amie udu onyeme ansi no dume.
On
Let's
your
share.
never say not do it,
Oh, I
man, not be
talk
like.
very. Let's share this video. We have Iyodo on our platform. So please,
Yeah,
if you
so
are
alright
not
with
here, you are nowhere. You understand? Let's share this broadcast. And Charity God's time, God bless you. We give honor to whom honor is due. Abeg, we fit not feel bold ritoto. Mama, your family members dey here. Divine Favor, thank you. And Sylvia Love, Sylvia, that name sound like fake account, sorry. Oh, wow.
somebody say fear don't enter take your body. Some people
Yeah,
just like commenting
mama,
whatever they feel like.
they no know say you na iron.
They like whatever they just feel, they just drop it on the comment section. That is how they catch their own
Agbogun supposed to be your second name. Yes,
even
now.
here you catch a cruise, you know me, I'm never against the cruise of anyone.
Efe Richard, thank you very much. Thanks for coming. I beg people when we never call. Tina Azari, Iyenogie, you are blessed. And P. Elogosa Usagede, you are all blessed. Thanks for coming. As soon as they come, so
Yeah.
man, like this page is very new. We are new on Facebook, so please, I beg make una follow this page as well. You know, as soon as they comment, as soon as they share, make una try. You understand? Make
We
una
are
follow.
joining, the citizens, they are joining in.
So make una try, you know, follow the page as well. And as you do, we get bonanza for una. The bonanza we get for una not be physical giveaway, na spiritual
Share the
giveaway.
citizen, share the citizen platform.
Yeah, thank you very much, Bobby. So not be physical, you know, kind of promo, na spiritual one. You know, you will be endorsed spiritually if you subscribe, if you follow Gorilla TV. God bless you. No, Mama, we are still on it now.
Yes, so.
Edo where denar yure I will say.
Denar
yure I will say.
Money do.
Okay, wow. Maybe you will understand better later. Now,
yeah.
We strive according to. I am going to pay you back with your own coin from what you said and from what you know your analyzation. We strive to change policy, not the policy maker.
We try to
change policy.
To change policy.
Yes, we strive to change policy, not
exactly.
not the policy maker.
As brava.
Okay. Now we seek to defeat bad ideas. Obviously, not the propagator of such ideas, because even those that are wrong, they will stay back to benefit from what is good and what is right. We understand. Now, my point of view is this: as an OAP, we don't systematically don't they used to saga now. The saga here with Betoria.
Wow. Another beautiful question.
That's
Saga is I have turned me personally, I changed down the name to Sago. You know.
Sago plus Ritoto. Mama, you need that word. You need that word though. Sago versus Ritoto.
You know, according to you, where was you?
Yes.
Yeah, my experience towards saga is this. When you are giving saga to a person, it's very sweet.
Okay. Woto.
When you are not giving back, it's very sweet and interesting. But when you are giving back, you don't like it. It doesn't feel good in the body. So that's why I apply wisdom in my saga. I don't normally want to be the first to be giving saga to people. So that when I am sagaring you back and I am giving you back, I will use all my strength, all the confidence in me, knowing that you got up and you have been asking for it from me for a very long time. So I will give you without regret, you know. So obviously, before I come to give you saga, I would have been used to whatever you are giving me already. It's no longer going to be a news to me. It's no longer going to shake me. It's no longer going to do anything to me. I give a fee, I give a real because before I get up to come and give you, I'll be used to your own already, you know. So and when I'm already used to your own, definitely I'm going to win you because the balance is going to be there. Your saga will no longer do me anything, except if it's not the regular saga you give. If it's the regular one that you are giving, that the one I'm already used to, when I'm quiet and I don't reply you, so I don't see something new, there will be nothing new in your saga anymore that you are going to give, except talking and talking and talking and talking and talking, you know. So that is how I say it. When you are giving and you are not giving back, not be everybody sabi they take the effect of saga. But when you know how to give and people they ignore you, sometimes when they are not giving you back, you don't find it good in your body. So I advise people who like to give saga, they should also know how to take it. When you know how to give, you also know how to take. So you don't just be the type who only know how to give. By the time you are big giving, you will not be crying. You are not supposed to cry. You are just supposed to take the effect, knowing that the one you are be giving, the way you are feeling, that's exactly how the other person is feeling. You see? So that's who I am. I can be very quiet for a long time when you are giving me saga. So when I am quiet, the quietness is I'll be getting used to whatever food that you are preparing. I'll be getting used to the smell. I'll be getting used to the taste. I'll be getting used to everything and whichever way that you are preparing it. So it's only you that is not going to know how I'll prepare my own food for you. Because when I'll prepare my own will be used to you, will be new to you. And that time you will already be exhausted of whatever that you have been doing to me. So that is where the psychological winning aspect of it will come from. So this is how I can explain myself.
So saga ni ITV na TB. So is that bad? Now, are we for Agmameo still on that same topic? You know?
Yeah.
Oh man, no you wone. Oiworia uteziria. But no damo sune.
Anyway, I'm just asking. I will answer the question that I'm being asked. If I'm going out of context, you can also bring me back. You know.
Okay.
I don't want to be faster than my shadow.
Okay. Now, okay. Are you talking about the comments?
No, you.
Okay.
I'm talking to you.
All right, no problem. So I was, I'm still on that same, lineage. I said, where oiworia utezilia, but omano idamo sune o enoriye Sevilla. Rao enoria Sevilla. We saga emane, ima saga wene.
Where?
Back when we yorun ye vegbe imi, bori aye.
Oh, waiting again in your jury.
On your yodo ni musi. Now, like I said, they don't hear it be. Waga luye. Where a lot of people depends on how you want to sleep, how you want to go to bed, how early you want to go to bed. Waga luye. Wati abiye so die oge an wuye. Waki yore. What I'm saying is, my point is, wati abiye so die oge an wuye.
I love the saga questions you are asking anyway, but I will flow with you. I will answer you. Yes. You know, like when we are swimming at our week back on mama waiting in your jury.
Yeah.
So I think that one answer everything already. Because with me, to me personally, I'll be truthful to you, saga does nothing to me anymore. Why? Because I think I'm used to it. I don't know what is it that somebody is going to tell me that's going to move my feet, that's going to be something new. That I've taken saga from almost everybody on those cyberspace. So I don't see something new about it. I'm a worker. So definitely, if ESL game or where it's impossible. I've been working on my years in Europe. Until date, I'm still working. I wake up 5 o'clock every morning. or 4:30 every morning to take my tea, arrange my children wherever and whatever, and enter my car, go to work, come back, still do my cooking, care for my house. If there's anything that I have to do, I don't do saga anyhow. As if that's not how I do my saga. My saga is not a feeding type to say I am doing saga because I want to use it to feed. No. My own is just as a result of putting a stupid person afar from me. If you see me doing saga, I'll be revenging. I'll be putting the stupidity away from me. Yeah.
Iyodo one. Now we are still on it. We are still on it. When we always sagana, emi buno things many when they dabbling. Sometimes you when if they say song give me, when so every year manu you is like they are in another realm. Like some musicians, back then I were Yama see Niansi, setting see one online. It still happen till date. Some entertainer, if they not take one or two, add some stimulant to their system, they not go fit perform. In process of that saga, or maybe why, like something when they add, when they ginger now.
Anyway, where Igbaya in my area, from the look of me, I don't look like a person who even smoke or drink, as you can see. It's even one.
Okay.
And like I said before, I don't do saga to feed. I do saga to put stupidity away from me. Or I do saga to stop stupidity. I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't drink. Oh, I don't smoke, I don't drink. When I am angry, and I'm very angry, sometimes like you can be out of yourself when you are angry. Just like when you are not even on hair, you are angry and your anger got another part of you. Although social media life has a spirit, from a spirit, to my own experience, I'm talking from experience. From a spirit in Olile, the spirit can dominate you sometimes, but you can also control yourself. That is why you see, on a level one, sometimes you try to control yourself and say, no, it's not fear, you control yourself. But other people, especially these ones who are under fake accounts, who want you to continue demonstrating that thing for them to see. They want you to continue doing, like some will come up with a word of like, oh, you are afraid of this person, he's talking to you and you are quiet. No, at that particular time, you'll be trying to control yourself and say, no, I think at this junction, it's enough, let it go. Although illiteracy, in Imaye Suniru way, they take advantage of stuff like that. They are very good in taking advantage of your quietness, your giving it away nature. You're kind of saying, no, I don't think this is proper. I don't think this one will be good to this level. They take advantage of it sometimes. Yeah. So,
Mama, you use it.
Personally, I've never smoked in my life. Okay. I've never.
When we made mention of adding, taking some, something, adding, taking some stimulant when they add some certain things, when they ginger. We have a lot of things.
People really see it. I'm sorry if you guys are saying it like that.
Okay.
But personally, I don't belong to that area. Okay. No, I don't belong to those things.
Okay.
I don't belong to those things. I'm just a person who is used to drinking tea and coffee.
Okay,
and that's me.
I understand better now. When 18 one ma. Yodo, 18 we one. If I so raw no bon you way a king one. I remember the year na ye be ibawolo woyale ozeme so stuff like that. So that may not be an excuse, but we believed you. So now you use the word which is very, and it's a fundamental statement. How we even allude by we sagani. Maybe always sagani, like I said, when so not here bo area go so. Now outside, if people feel the person like you, as if somebody will get family, you understand? If you feel they pour out your grudge, your griefs out like that on social media to the world, what is the opportunity? What is the belief and the tendency
They
say,
put with inside that tea.
well, yes,
My
stuff
God.
like that. Yeah,
If I
some
remember
people,
now that they are very funny people. Continue.
yeah. So at that point, what's the assurance where Omana ti wa lati and video to apo yan gare out, because the one out they do the saga sometimes is as a result of where Upawa mi omani you for tear am apart. You understand? So what's the assurance where a monasia you wayan safe? Hope una know they sometimes a saga ni or a bagbori han una know they sometimes they transfer the aggression to the family.
No, not at all. Ekenimana transfer, I believe people can transfer aggression anyway. I'm not saying it's not true or a matter, but I believe when you feel defeated, that's the only way you can do stuff like that. Or stuff like that can happen. For people who feel defeated and for troublemakers, I'm not a troublemaker. I don't look for trouble. I do trouble. There's a difference between doing trouble and making it. I don't make it. I don't go and look for it. But if you bring it to my table, I can join you to do it if it's now excess on my table to clean up shit. But I don't just go and look for it and say I'm looking for it as a feeding stuff. Let me be looking for it in different corner. I don't look for trouble. But I'm not denying it that I don't do trouble. I do it, but I don't look for it. So when it transfer aggression to Evian during saga is a sign of defeat. When they feel defeated, I don't think I come up with that feeling. That's why I don't look for trouble, so that I will not be having the feeling of defeat. Because the truth is that when you look for trouble, you're going to have the feeling of defeat. You're going to be defeated. You're going to have very few ways to back up whatever points that you are bringing up, and you're going to feel shameful in the presence of people, where they are not stupid. You can be talking, but you will not have the support of people. You see. So that one alone is what will frustrate you, that make you to have the feeling of defeat, and you start fighting your children inside the house. So I don't believe when I know that I am right, I will ever have the feeling of defeat, not to talk of about my children. No.
Okay, if that's your take, man. If that's your take, let's is a battle. Yes, a battle you call it, and that is what it seems. All the battle way bina the social media, all the battle you fought, so you've always won them all. Am I defeated with there? Is that
Stop
the point?
that.
Is that the point? All the battles, man.
Just a minute.
Okay.
I'm alone with the kids at home.
All right,
Christina.
let me see. Eddie Ruben in the building.
Christina.
Scott.
Stop that, okay? I'm busy.
Yeah,
So
Tasha
I'm
Love,
listening.
thank you very much. Joya B, you are blessed, and Love Daniel. So I will
Just
be
a
right
minute,
back. Please
just a
let's share the
minute, my
broadcast,
brother.
please. Assist the ministry
Just a
by
minute.
sharing the broadcast. Your sharing is what we ask for. So please share the broadcast. So Mama, back to all right. So sharing the broadcast is what we ask for. So we will be right back. You get it? So share this broadcast. You understand? I have awa gbogbo aru. You understand? Yes, gbogbo aru. All these people. Hold on. Who be this? All right, Tracy Gold. God bless you. Thanks for coming.
I am back
Hey, Google,
again.
be careful. Now, express you they go. And Miss Coolest, you are blessed. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for coming. So back
All right.
to Iyodo, one of Amsterdam. So Mama, Iyodo, we are still on it.
Amsterdam of the whole world, university, no?
Okay, the university no.
University one.
It's a few where you are water. So Iyodo, one of the whole universe. We are still on it. Yes. Yeah. So if we been and we been away na me victory. All the saga so far no embark on social media. Am I defeat you with them? Which one you feel say they don't defeat you?
What a good question. I don't do saga for living.
Okay.
Saga is about your mental status.
Okay.
So I don't think I've ever been defeated.
Wow.
In Saga.
Wow.
Unlike you. Because it's about how I feel.
Okay.
It's not about how the other person feel, or it's about my own personal feeling. So when I have the feeling of I am okay, I'm fine, everything is okay with me, that's why it's not possible for Saga to take away my smile. So that one already, I think, is okay. Why? I don't take Saga as a job. I'll repeat again. I do Saga for my sanity. I do it to clear stupidity away from my table when people are putting it too much. I just do it to clear it away, to say, no, this one is not getting too much. Get away. So it gives me the feeling of being okay, the feeling of being right, the feeling of the winning feeling. Winning is about you, as it's for you as a person. You understand? So for me to be looking beautiful, shining, and okay like this, I don't know how you will. I can't continue fighting for no reason. If I can't continue fighting, I'll just be fighting and fighting. I'm not a warlord to be fighting and fighting. That's why if I already have the feeling of winning already, I withdraw. So I can allow my counterpart to talk for 10 years. The feeling of winning is already engulfed me. It's already in me. Give me the confidence that I've defeated you. So you are not crying. So
Iyodo, now where you see this Saga, so with who be this woman? Ofioto, I don't know. Okay, Queen Love Ojo, calm down. Just be calming down. You understand? But happy. God bless you. No, that one a fake account. I don't trust that account. I don't trust that account. So, Yodo, now, you spoke about revenge. Are you a Christian or Uye Church?
Wow, I'm a Christian.
Like Christian.
I'm a very good Christian. A big one as well.
And Kakabo Yusa Yesese.
Kakabo, and as a matter of fact, a wife of an evangelist.
And what your Bible?
From Genesis to Revelation.
Why, yeah. So that's to show where you have a tear scripture in no time where vengeance is for the Lord.
Vengeance is for the Lord.
Is for the Lord. So what's your take on
it's
that scripture?
Lord.
Vengeance is for the Lord.
Yes, all right. Let me talk about that.
Okay.
You are very right. A real Bible tie.
Okay.
But where vengeance is of the Lord.
Yeah.
You know. So to my own belief, I believe Bible is a spiritual book. You know. It's not a physical one. It's a spiritual book. And you cannot relate spiritual things to physical things. So when Bible was talking about vengeance is for the Lord, I believe it's the spiritual aspect of it that I cannot fight. Every of my battle that is spiritual, I have a God that fight them. I don't fight them by myself. That is why I can never boldly take the name of anyone, any man or woman, because it's against my belief, it's against what I represent, it's against Evinijaji. So to take the name of anyone to say, but I also know that if a person tries to do that against me, it's never going to work, because I know that vengeance is of the Lord. I will not be venging for myself to tackle a person spiritually. No. But when I can tackle the person physically, the things I can do for myself, I will not wait for God to come and do it. I will not wait for God to do the ones I can do for myself. The one that are bigger than me, the one that a bigger power need to take over, I will surrender that one to the bigger power that follows, that I believe in. And I'm seeing the effect that is really working wonders in me. It's working nicely, and I've never doubted my God. That's it.
A wife of an evangelist, you said.
Yeah.
A chairman evangelist, you know.
Yeah, he's an evangelist, a Seventh-day Adventist.
That is to say, where a wife of a soldier is also a soldier.
Yeah.
Now, let's face it squarely. Edo where Agbekiri did you hear ya? After all the yo, then on Sunday is sometimes on Saturday evening around night where you analyze on Saga Bagbori. They go you analyze it for maybe like around 12 a.m. in the morning. They just between 12 till 5 a.m. That's just like 3 to 4 hours. Then, like you said, already 5 a.m. Then already 7 o'clock. Then why are you church man? And as a wife of evangelist, then wait to tie you down. So pastor, they watch some of those your sagas. Is it your followers?
I believe they will be watching my saga, like I said before. Even you, as a human being, saga, so no. If you really have conscience, you will even tell me to do it. That is getting too much. Yes. When I'm the boy, pastor, so a Bible with the kingdom of God suffer violent, and the violent take it by force. About the same Bible, you know. So even when I pastor, when you see the way people try to push me to the edge at times, you, if you are my pastor, you will even tell me to say, I know when attack me say you are. Where you are going, I will talk. So it's not that's why I don't regret anything that comes out of my mouth. Before I open my mouth to say it, at least I've kept quiet enough.
You're the reality check now. Let's say something like that don't ever surface before, whereby you come back on the saga. Here where we na Zik and Dollar, church now will come, call for your attention, say, calm down.
No. My own is that no, something like that has never happened.
Okay.
My son, to call for me to say stop or do this. I believe many people are online these days, which I don't know. Everybody online, people are watching and people are saying. And I can tell you that if you want to be truthful to yourself, 80 or 90% of people know that I'm not a troublemaker. They know it. I don't make trouble. But some people are very interested in me. They love me so much and they tend to turn into it. Wow. They cannot do without me, Wow. So sometimes it also irritates me to say, oh, why will you love me to this extent of like romancing me so much? You don't want to leave me alone. Wow. And I'm forced to reply. Yeah.
Because what you do is what we know you for. Like I will use those actors for example. Okay, somebody like Salov Yenia. Man, I'm your fan. I like your movie. You understand? Ambassador Samore Yenia. You understand? Automatically, I believe where the church you were. So now, as an OAP, if people want to give credit to you in your church, no I'm trying to put myself I'm trying to put myself in these shoes as an OAP, as a superstar in one way or the other. Now, if I get me, the content they give you the credit. Shake. So is that necessarily they give you credit?
No, okay. Not so. Okay. As you, like I said before, I will repeat again.
All right.
We live with you now on those cyberspace.
Yeah.
Always there is a limit to every human endurance.
Okay.
Yes. Always there is a limit to every human endurance. A limit zero. So I don't think I would like to please the people of the world and displeasing myself at every given time.
Okay.
I have come to the level of my life that whatever people think about me does not really matter again to me. It's about how I feel. That is why I say sometimes I see that this thing is not okay anymore. I'll say, okay, let me withdraw and leaving the person to have the feeling sometimes of winning. So sometimes if you give some people the feeling of winning, it's not even satisfying them, you don't understand what is happening on those cyberspace. It's something that you cannot understand because you are not inside. It's more than what we are saying here right now. Giving me credit. People know how I started. I have people who love me and they love my show. They love my program. My program is not only about saga, but because of the jealousy on those cyberspace, people who have rubbed themselves in the mud, they feel comfortable when everyone is grouped in the same level. It gives them confidence that they are not alone in that mode. So they tend drawing you every time, asking for your attention, begging for it with different styles, so that you can enter into that thing with them, and they gain the confidence and balance that they want to say, I am not alone in this shit, because they know it, that they are in a shit. So they feel like drawing every other person that they see that the person is doing wonderfully well. They feel like robbing the person. That is why this last, I believe the last person I just replied of recent, the person was always saying, I will rob, you will lose your reputation. It was a kind of threat that she was always passing to me whenever she's talking. I will draw you in the mud, you lose your reputation. I will draw you in the mud, you lose your reputation. You know, it passed a message to her that I have a reputation to protect. So because of that, she was always hanging up on those words, threatening me to say, I'll drag you into a fight, I'll draw you into a fight, you lose your reputation. A kind of a tactics or a strategy of silencing you to keep injuring you mentally. You understand? So me, I'm the kind of person who understands strategic things like that, and I don't allow people to blackmail me mentally. It's a blackmail onto me. So when I tend to put it off by whichever way I can, that is when people will say, Rita, you are violent, you do saga, you say things, you do things. I'm not a person like that anyway. I'm a very lovely woman. I'm a woman who loves peace, and I like to give peace. But when I see that my peace giving is being taken for granted, then I can also tell you that there's a demon in every human being. But sometimes we try to, if you still have the love of God in you, you try to protect this demon. But demons also, they also know the area you try to protect, and say, this area of you try to protect it, and they tend to like bring you outside to give themselves the confidence that it's about themselves. They want to make sure you're in the same level, to say we are in the same category, we are in the same level. It's not really about it's about bringing all of you to say na level of. So it's giving them confidence. It makes them feel all right. If you look at most of the saga near those cyberspace, if you listen, most of them normally say it. When they don't see me fighting, they will say, hey, at the time when we mega admin, and now you are now also fighting. So it gives them confidence when they are able to attain, when they are able to give you that their title. You understand? So that's why it doesn't really affect me psychologically, because I know the mental trick. I know the mental strategy inside. It doesn't do me anything at all.
You're the one. Now we are
Thank
still
you.
on it, because I will be mindful agmami one before we proceed. Awe mo gba nya yi atabisi kankan su wo gba me o ye mataro. All the saga you've embarked on so far, all the people no way no egbekan we no way egbekan. Then all the people when you and I don't cross line of battle, at least which particular saga when you not go fit forget in the hurry. Say normally a musician or women among all my music, because we need to treat you. I'm sorry to say, we need to treat you as one. We need to handle this issue as one. So now, who is this person when you know say at least Atemio when ogbe this person or maybe easy. That's why you see Batista now in a ring, or when it comes to Triple H, man, that guy is good. At least among all the people, all the saga carriers, which one you know say tough? Just the same way you did tough as well.
Am I tough? I don't see myself as a person.
Of course, you are tough systematically. No, honestly, no joke. You at least you know one person when we say I don't feel describe your character in that realm. But I don't, some of your videos when we say Rita Yemiomo get the way she take day, Iyodo get the way she take day. So among all the saga when you don't do, which person you know say this person he or she when it comes to saga?
The truth of the matter is that we are all dynamics in our different ways, you know. On a cyberspace, we are all dynamics in our different ways. But I don't call that a talent. Making trouble, is it a talent?
Because it happens.
To me, no, making trouble or doing trouble is not even a talent at all. Okay. I don't want to give credit to it. That's why sometimes I don't go looking for it, because I know that just a minute, my PA is calling. I need to answer. Hello?
Right. All right. All right, thank you very much. That is a fantastic one from we are still on it. I beg, as una dey here, please let's try and share this broadcast. Aware Oriobi, Oriobi, we are at the old video. So we appreciate you for coming. A lot of people for coming out to support this great movement. Please let's share this video. Let's always drop a positive, comment, not a sarcastic one per se. I'm not expecting everybody to be on our side. You understand? I'm not expecting anybody to always vindicate what we are doing here. A lot of people will see it from another perspective and from another angle, which is normal. I beg, make una follow this page as well accordingly. Thank you very much. So still with I'm a Mrs. Ritoto. You're the one of the whole universe. So Yodo, so you were on a topic. You said you never saw it as a talent. Hello? Yeah. Okay. Are they hearing us now? Okay, let's observe the people. Let's observe the people and see what we will be right back.
The sound is amazing. Big MC, none of it.
Your love is all I ask for. Yeah, sweet lover.
You love it when I get for you. Chapura you feel the way I feel for you.
Alright, we are back for good. We are back for good. So Mama, the point is you have your where you are about if I ask you about the mentor and all those things, so those things because it's not a career just like you said. Well, no, you have your where you are about if I ask you about the mentor and stuff, there's somebody you are looking up to, because once again it's not a job and a career, but meanwhile we still stand by to meet somebody when take them as a job and a career, because we have people like that. Yes, in your midst.
Are you talking about Saga?
Yes, still know the lineage, whether Saga, the Saga, a group of company. You understand? So we are on it now. Awakenemi la 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 akizowoy. Now we'll take you back to the the Fawcett Origo. I mean, let's say your first time on social media.
Where?
The hookup. You started with the hookup. So your first time on social media. So which year be that one?
I think I started December. No, August. How many years? 3 years now. 3 years plus. Last December, it's December not better, and I completed 3 years online.
Okay.
Yeah.
3 years.
Yes, because my first platform was Inside Life, and it got unpublished after about 12,000 followers. Ooh. And because I was restricted that time, I understand the Facebook. That one gone out of cyberspace around that after 1 year and 6 months of managing the platform. It went away. So all together, I completed 3 years last December on live video.
So if you're the one celebrate now, like 3 years now, she will celebrate now. Wow.
Yes.
And you don't mean
3 years of cyberspace.
Now you there everywhere like this. That would be small thing. That would be small thing.
Big MC on the beat.
Your love is hell like asphalt.
All right, mixing apologize. This is your name. Mona, they calm down. Tasha Love, thank you very much. Iyeki God Sensed, Reloaded, you are blessed. And Queen Love Ujo Uwesi, Godsin Netherlands Uwesi. Which other people? ABS Agbonlao, thank you very much. Bod Toto, thank you for coming. Eki Usaretin, you are well recognized. Marvelous Queen, most especially, thank you very much. And Joyce Usat, thank you very much, for joining this, movement. Thank you very much for joining this movement. So now, Mama, we focalize the topic. So far so good. We've been able to make some progress. Like I said, Ritoto is everywhere now. Ritoto here, Ritoto there. Those when they see them from the aspect of the hookup aspect of it, the good job you'll be doing, and those of the areas, your saga, the saga believers, followers, they are all your followers. They are all your followers. So, some of your boys are now reality check. Whenever all those people when you get issue with, some of them, no women per se, whenever they want to have an issue with you, or whenever they want to tackle an issue with you, they always make reference to a particular word. If they want body shame you, they will say kokobiri.
They go say?
They always body shame you with a word. They will say kokobiri.
Kokobiri, yes.
Yeah. So
all right.
What's kokobiri? Doni here be. What does that mean?
I don't know. If you ask me, I don't know what kokobiri mean. So them, they refer to. I believe they are referring to men who are not Nigerians. Kokobiri. Okay. So because they know that my husband is a non-Nigerian, they will be saying kokobiri. Are you understanding me?
Oh.
So Tom, I don't really know what it means. I don't know where they get it from. I don't know where they pick it from. They wanted to use it to body shame me.
Yeah.
But it is not even doing anything to me. At the end of the day, I saw it as if I've even accepted it. It's not a problem to me at all.
Oh. And
it doesn't upset me, it doesn't offend me.
Okay. For the fact that your husband is not okay, now they call Coco. Well.
Yeah. For the fact that my husband is not a Nigerian.
Yeah.
Where Saga has to is it's about it's about winning a person psychologically.
Yeah.
They want to win you mentally. That's what Saga is about. But when the frustration comes out from them when they are not able to win you mentally. Wow. So I don't think where a word like kokobiri can upset a person like me this time around. Okay. It's not a problem. It's about how you feel within yourself.
Yeah.
It's not about what the other person is saying. When people talks about you and you are not feeling good about yourself, they can win you mentally and psychologically. But when people talks about you in trying to bring you down and you feel excellently super about yourself, it doesn't do anything to you. It doesn't even get to you. That is where their frustration will come from. And they will start looking for a better name that will get to you. So it's not a news anymore to me.
Wow, that's a nice one. So from what you said, it's very obvious now that you are happily married. And Nigeria, where we are not married, you came for Unado, Anawadu Bomozian and Mim or
Akabo.
Onawad de Ona Asa.
Ona Asafo.
Ona Wasa. I will talk with you, Hassan Yaisef.
Ona Pena.
I will tell you that here, where Doria Giaga. What you makes far more than what I'm even paying.
You are right. Okay.
So, Mama, how was it? How was the wedding?
You mean my marriage?
Yes, how was it?
It was fine. Okay. It was fine. Okay. I wanted to make it big, like to talk about it to my fans. on live video and whatever. But I was having there was this problem that came like before the marriage date really come up.
Okay.
The problem now raw with live video and all those things. I didn't want to spill it anymore. We just went to Nigeria, do it, knowing that going to Nigeria to marry is about the family. A family when they are there, the family are present. Those are the most important people in traditional marriage. So that was our target. That is it. It was very fine. The trip was good. We went nicely and we came back nicely. We enjoyed ourselves. We even do some days, because I think all our stay was all about almost 3 weeks. But we enjoyed ourselves. We still do small honeymoon joiner.
Yeah.
Coming to finish it here, to find the time, because of our work, convenient time to finish the other one over here in Germany, where the family of my husband can, the wide range of them can attend the ceremony.
So we are going to be expecting, we're going to go throw party for there very soon.
By the special grace of God, yes.
Wow.
We are looking for a convenient location that we can also celebrate ourselves, and a convenient time, for us to.
Mama, I'm about to ask you a silly question. A very silly one.
A silly one.
Yeah, a very silly one.
I hope it's a question I can answer. If I will not answer it,
because as an Edo man, a very renowned one to the call, I understand how these things go. You understand? So, but sometimes in your tari, but sometimes to satisfy the curiosity of some people, to make them understand, and as well, it can as well serve as a lesson to those who are willing to venture into that den where it is possible, if only you are willing. Mama, the notion that I know your family is different from our family, the same with every other family. But if this thing was a secret, tell Ladian with social media, you understand? For you to post automatically, you want everybody to talk about it. That's why you have people analyzing video every now and then. Now, you getting married to somebody, somebody from another angle, which is very nice. You can love you more, But the notion that on that wedding day, now only bros waka come. There was no. Who
said so?
That was what they said. That there was no family brothers, there was no family sisters. So now it's not bad though. People have been doing it like ebori or temenuhu. You understand? Eboni yokbabe hiare. You understand? But how? Although then I was not around, maybe aware, I remember saw it. But in that case, how they fit do that kind of thing? Because we do.
Yes, continue.
A family over then a family no who be authoritatively where we are not giving you, because in as far where Okbiani, that is the first day no way they see him as a boy. Where Mario won a boy. Or say anaka yot era kegbera dera iro awot you no dion. Ado kayo ni ukegbe. I kayo ukegbe say like 6. Then the 7 na bagbe where okay now odo andova ene owie where okay owie eye na awaja ja no ene amiegi me we. But I can't reason a situation whereby an operation of one man standing, he was there alone. How we contain meander that area when we say via with that area and then where only him himself, and there was no other right we are supposed to perform than that kaira. So we want to know if it is possible, so that I can as well advise people that always come to me for counseling.
Wow. Anyway, because it's you.
Okay, we'll see.
It's you, and I believe that there are also other important people
who
we also want to hear stuff like this. I will talk about it. All right.
God bless you.
My husband is not a Nigerian, and people have been broadcasting to say he went alone. He never went alone. My husband has sisters, but she not he went to Nigeria with us. But I will never bring out the face.
No,
she
was
there
you don't have
in
to.
Nigeria. She was there in Nigeria. In short, we went to Nigeria in 4. My neighbor you were live there. My neighbor you were, but I will never bring them out of camera. The reason why is that
you don't have to.
Yes. The reason why is that I watch the ceremony they palo. I didn't bring it out. It's none of their business. That's my family something.
Yes, yes.
I'm an adult and we do what we have the video of our marriage.
Okay.
You understand? So I decided to bring the ceremonial aspect of it to my fans to see. I also did it to not bring out that family aspect because I don't want to bring come and bring them out for bully on live video.
Yeah.
And as you can see, these ones, they are not only hungry for seeing the family, they are hungry for bullies. Bully is what they are hungry for.
Yeah, yeah.
So what they are really interested in is bully. They are not really interested about whether they pay there. It's none of their business. For them to see somebody to drag, I'm interesting.
Okay.
So I gave them I make sure that I know what they want. I withdrew what they want from them so that they can be crazy for it. And I saw that it really made them go crazy. All right. My sister-in-law, she's here in Germany. There are two of them. One of them, short, we went in 5 because one went with a small baby, 3-month-old baby that she went with. But we never showed them online to anyone. I will never bring them aboard to anyone. They were right there in my wedding with us. They traveled to Nigeria. So my father-in-law is an old man, although she is still there with the wife, but they are very, very, very old right now. They cannot, because of marriage, be traveling from Zimbabwe into Nigeria. So my husband is there. The sisters are there. I believe my father has been talking with my father-in-law for a very long time. Not be today, they start. We are 9 years together, The family already, they know themselves. We have 9 years together. We just married. If you mean one, my children are grown already.
Love story. Wow.
Yes. So we have been 9 years together. We just went to formalize it. Let me only be in a but but my father-in-law was presently there on video, on voice. My mother-in-law was there on video, on voice. So I think we are fine like that.
No, Mama, that would be my point of departure because I was waiting for where your father-in-law were there. After all, we are in the digital world. So on video, at least I believe that conquers everything.
Because if you almost to know where, did you agree?
Yes.
Did you agree? Want to talk to the father? Did you agree? I know the father.
Okay.
And did you agree for him to marry such a person? He is long aware of it. Now our marriage has been the market planning marriage. I think for one reason or the other, I have a chief chair. For one reason or the since 3 years, it's not a game on you, Nima. So we just went to do it. But some people, social media, they want to take credit for where they are not invited. They want to feel important for no reason. You see them saying, oh, now because I talk and this one will say now because I talk and the other one say now because I talk and before they started shouting now because I talk and I already announced on live video already that I actually want to the second marriage date that we fixed was August during the time the corona announcement. Was it 2021 that it did?
Yeah.
2021, yes. August 7th, 2021 was the second marriage date Nemate feast. Is corona now they spoil everything. Be where my husband is not a Nigerian, visa process and application, whatever, for non-Nigerians into Nigeria, and not those things. We shifted the marriage date and whatever. So for us, we are very, very fine, We are peace-loving people.
Wow.
We don't have problem, except people who want to give us another kind of a view on live video. They want to make the world see us the way we are not. That's why you see, but sometimes it doesn't bother me at all. It doesn't bother me. It makes me better than what I was, So that's it.
Wow.
That's everything I can say about the man.
I really appreciate this, man. So now, still on that area, we're about, we are almost, done. Now, still in the.
Hey, man, when you want to really say, some people go say, now this one make you go do marriage. I have a question for you. Well.
It's not possible. At least you should be an emblem of what you preach now. Yeah. So now, still in the matrimonial home, virtually, we are not planning to bring that out. So, Iyodo now, You've been together since 9 years, which I understand. Where you understand, provoke you, where you provoke you.
9 years old, we are carrying 10 years already.
Okay, let's say 10 years. But as a man, where you understand? So that's why you have a lot of men they don't tolerate. And most of your videos when they release just like as we talk about dynamics, they use English, and that is to show say it's beyond your small range. If they use English, they saga people or they reply people or they came in the year. So how they feel about them? And those people now, when you the same they reciprocate like that. They throw some kind wrong words into your household. How chairman they feel after the live video, or if they peruse all those video when people bully you?
Okay, let me open it more. If to my understanding, you see, waiting my husband they feel if they fight with people.
Yeah, and if people they fight you back, it's just like they throw stone. Yeah,
all right,
and
let me see.
So how they feel?
I feel in the first place.
Okay.
Because Odafome is not a Nigerian. It's not he's not a person on the current on those cyberspace. Okay. He's not there. You don't even know most of these people. Oh. You have no idea. You have no clue about them. Okay. That is why, if I feel like now replying a person, I make him to know this person that this person is doing too much. A time will come, I will definitely go and reply to this person. Okay. And he will not be against it, to say, oh, don't reply. He knows what it means for you to give too much leg to a person to mash too much on your head for a very long time. He's an African man, So like I said before when I started, I said, there is a limit to every human endurance. So if talking back will give you the peace that you want, so nobody will want to go against your peace. That is it.
We take a step further. Now, can we talk about...
Somebody said she finished for this interview, now straight to sack.
Mama, they don't know say you na a marathon. So we are on it. So now, your let's talk about your friends on this among your colleagues. Do you have anyone? I make an animal say in this industry I have friends. So can we talk about your friends among your colleagues? Do you have anyone?
You mean among my colleagues on those cyberspace?
Yes, you have a friend among them.
Personally, I don't have enemy on those cyberspace. Okay. I don't have enemy at all. Okay. To my own knowledge, all of them, they are my lovers, they are my friends, and I don't hate any of them at all. To be really sincere, that's why I can tolerate them a lot, because but when I see that a person declare me their enemy, and I see that there is no reason for declaring me your enemy, sometimes I can accept your declaration. I'll say, all right, I'm your enemy, it's fine like that. If it's fine by you, it's also fine by me. I don't have enemy. I love all of them, I like all of them, but there are people that you will just like more because of their characters, because of their behavior, they are well brought up kind of life. People who don't just go digging shit because they want to be relevant, If I see people like that, I have a special respect and love for them. Okay. The love and the respect I have for such people sometimes tends to increase because so stop it, Kinder. When you see and say person not they disturb you, I know they disturb you, not they disturb me. When people give me peace, I give them peace. But when I know that they are not giving me peace, I don't think I will ever try to be loyal to a person who is very rude. I will never be loyal to a rude person. It's not in my character. It's not in my behavior. But I love people who don't go looking for trouble for no reason. So I will not pinpoint and mention names and say this one is my friend.
No.
This one is my enemy. Like you can say.
No, what we are saying is a situation whereby...
No, let me quickly finish.
All right.
Let me quickly finish. there's a friend today can be an enemy tomorrow. So for that reason, there is no permanent friend in this life, and there is also no permanent enemy. So on those cyberspace, everyone is my friend, and I don't have enemy except the ones who declare themselves my enemy and is accepted by me. I don't have any problem about that either.
Okay, because that area, I will agree to the fact that, to me, I know it really has nothing to do with you, but to me, my belief and my take, I will agree with the fact that, okay, there's no friend now, because while there is no enemy, now where Eversonata make me, I where saga no so, but there are some that is beyond your saga. You understand? So I will see at your family. So some of the words, one of the cascades when doing that saga, I believe take them a very only man. But we will let that go, we will allow that to slide, So we will go on a break, trust me when I say
we answer it is not a problem if you don't want it to. If you don't want to let it go.
No, we decide to let it go. It's fine.
All right. Okay.
Because as we speak now, I have like 2 friends now that we like 5 and 6. You understand? I have them. So I believe you also have some like that. Okay. I imagine on here, but tomorrow as of today, those people, man, we get in touch, we get along. But we allow that to slide while we.
Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to leave your own opinion, what you think about this video. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.